Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this super simple and delicious oven baked shrimp boil. For this recipe, I used potatoes, butter, corn, garlic, salt, bouillon powder, dried oregano, smoked paprika powder, chili flakes, cilantro, and shrimp. Start with washing and cutting the potatoes. I left on the skin, but feel free to peel it off if that is what you prefer. I am going to parboil the potatoes and corn. For that, bring water to a boil and add bouillon powder or a bouillon cube and cook the potatoes and corn for about 7 minutes over medium heat. Peel and devein the shrimp. To the melted butter, add grated or minced garlic, chili flakes, paprika powder, and dried oregano. Give it a mix and add about 2 tablespoons of it to the shrimp. In addition, I will also be adding extra salt and a little bit of paprika powder. If you do not have those spices, or if you do not like those spices, feel free to use any other spice. Put all the ingredients in a lined baking dish. Add the melted butter and mix everything together. Then bake it in a preheated oven of 200 Celsius for about 20 minutes. And there it is. It is very simple to make, but it is also super delicious. If you decide to give this recipe a try, let me know on Instagram how you like it. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching, guys.